Hi, I'm Kathryn Stelljes, owner of the Think Live Be team at Keller Williams Realty at the Parks, and I'm here with your monthly market update. So if you watch my videos, you know that about on the 15th of the month, we get the stats from the previous month of sales, what's pending, what's active, what's sold, and we analyze the data and then we come back to you and say, here's what's going on. So we are looking at July. July ended with the prices up just slightly at about 2.6%. That's kind of a normal appreciation rate, just slightly below normal. However, again, I think the headlines make you think that the prices are coming down. They're not coming down. The average price is higher than it was last year. The median price is higher than it was last year. It's just appreciating at a slower rate than it has been. There's a big difference there. So the other thing to note is we do have less sales than last year. We had about 2,652 sales that happened in July. That's about 7% lower than last year. But the big number that's impacting all of this is the number of listings. We have about twice as many listings as we did at the same time last year. It's about a little over 11,000 homes available for sale, which actually isn't that many. However, compared to where we've been, it's a drastic change. So if you've been sort of sitting on the fence because you haven't been able to find something, well, you should now, because there's twice as many listings available. In fact, we haven't seen this level of inventory in 10 years. It's been about since 2015 that we've had this many homes for sale. So big change. If you're a buyer entering the market, you'll find that you have way more options than you have had recently and in recent years. But the number of sales is definitely slower than it has been in the most recent years. Again, it's down about 7%. We expect that, if the rates come down in the fall, which we kind of are, I think everybody's hoping they do, if the rates come down a little bit, we will see an increase in the number of sales, and so that will change the balance of the market again. Right now, we're sitting at just over 4 months of available inventory. That means if no new houses came on the market, everything would be sold in 4 months. That is what we consider a balanced market. Anything below 4 months is considered a seller's market, just meaning that the sellers have more negotiating power because there's less inventory. So we have reached, just in the last month, we've reached balanced. So whether or not we move into buyer's market depends on two things. The rates, because if the interest rates come down, that will bring more buyers into the market, which would then change the demand and the inventory levels would come down. Or the second thing is number of listings. If more and more people continue to list their homes, but no more sales happen, supply and demand, then the months of available inventory will go up and it could move it closer to a buyer's market. So those are the two things we're watching right now. What we expect is the rates will probably come down this fall at least once, and that will, they've already started to drop a little bit. It's not exactly the same when the Fed lowers the rates. It's not like it's an immediate mortgage rate drop, but they do tie into one another. So we've seen, just with speculation, thinking about what's going to happen in the future, we have seen some rates starting to come down a little bit, and we expect to see that a little bit more into the fall. If they drop drastically, if unemployment goes up or other signs of a recession continue to move forward, then they're going to want to drop the rates more rapidly. That could lead to a stronger fourth quarter than we usually see. So these are the things we're watching. Everybody's situation is different. Real estate is such a personal thing. If you're moving because of some sort of need for your family, it does not matter what market you're in. We can find you the right home at the best price possible. And just know that real estate markets are not linear like this. It's not like prices go up and down like this. They actually go up and down like this, meaning the real estate market is always appreciating over time. So as long as you're holding on to real estate for at least 7 to 10 years, it will outlive any market cycle up and down. So just give us a call. Every situation is unique. We are here to help. It's 407-982-7240. We look forward to speaking with you about your Central Florida real estate needs. Always here for you. Thanks so much.